What happened?
The miracle started yesterday. Father was on a ventilator, and they were able to remove the ventilator. He's now speaking and responding to all questions, asking for food.
My father was. He's right here. He's saying, praise God. Can you hear him?
Yes, I hear him.
He couldn't speak. He had a tube down his throat. Even the nurses are coming by and saying that he's truly a miracle. He's went from not being able to speak, having a feeding tube in his nose, to it's truly a miracle. It's truly a miracle. He even was saying that he was hot yesterday after you got off and had prayed. Because I sent his pictures in, I sent my family's pictures in.
That's a miracle. You were obedient.
Yes.
I love you, and I want your father to know I love him. He's going to be completely up and whole out of this bed.
Apostle Taylor will be coming out live from his place of shutaway every Thursday to pray for the maimed and the sick, leading up to the major Miracle Arena Crusade, July 27th through the 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern. Text your pictures to 720-202-9147. Call in now to register today, 1-877-THE-GLORY. That's 877-843-4567.